What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Didn't get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy? Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you? You. Excuses sound best to the person who's making them up. Stop telling sorry for yourself. Get off the pity party. Telling everybody you're sad and sob stories. Trying to get people to show up to your pity parties and your pity parodies. If you ever see me in a Rolls Royce, a 6 or 7-star hotel, living my life to the fullest, don't get jealous of me, because I worked my ass off to get it. Nobody handed me nothing. Wake your ass up. Awaken the beast inside. It's game on. It's go season. It's time for you to take the advantage of the access and the resources you have in your country and your community. You got a problem with your life. You got a problem with your environment. Do something about it. If you want it, go get it. Recognize the excuses are not valid. They are conjured up. They are fabricated. They are lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. And your truth is, you have time, you have the skill, you have the knowledge, you have the sport, and the willpower, and the discipline to get it done. The fruit of everything good in life begins with a challenge. Every time is uphill, that's worthwhile. And it's not going to come to you. And it's not going to fall in your lap. And it's not going to be something. It's just was so simple. It's always going to be difficult. If you want and you gotta go get it. This is your chance. This is your shot. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your place. This is your opportunity.